Okay, in our dashboard, let's have a look at this print section over here on the right-hand side. So what we can actually do is filter for specific prints. So in this case, it's 400,000. So any trade that's 400,000 or higher for the current day. So this is Monday, November 11th, which is our current day. And then we can also choose whether it's market hours or all time frames. And all time frames would include pre-market from 4 a.m. to 9:30 a.m. and also from 4 p.m. to 8 p.m. Eastern. And so right now, if I choose the left arrow, I can see prints from Friday. And I can choose my share size. I can go up to, say, over 700,000 and higher. And then I can also choose market hours. Now see that this one shows SRLN is at 8 p.m. That's when the market actually closed. So if I want the market hours, I'll just choose this here. And so this one goes up to 3:58. These are by default sorted by time, which is newest to oldest. So close to the end of the bell, we could see 2 million on financial ETF, XLF, NU, 1.4 million on Apple, 2 million on CHPT, things like that. So you can scroll down and see what actually happened during the day to get an idea of what's happening in the market. All right, this is a quick helpful tool as an overview portion of the dashboard as one of the components. Let's move on and we'll look at the economic calendar.